In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Snapchat camera rotation issue. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak connection can sometimes cause glitches on Snapchat. Next, try restarting the Snapchat app. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Then find Snapchat and swipe it up to close it completely. Once you've closed it, open Snapchat again. Now, let's check if Snapchat has the right permissions. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down, and tap on Snapchat. Make sure that permissions for the camera, microphone, photos, and location are all enabled. This ensures Snapchat can access everything it needs to function properly. Ensure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and update it if available. Finally, clearing the app's cache can help resolve the issue. Open Snapchat, tap on your profile icon, then the gear icon in the top right corner to go to Settings. Scroll down and find the Clear Data option. Tap on it and select Clear Cache. And there you have it. If you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat camera rotation problem on your phone.